In today's fast-paced world, staying motivated can be challenging. Whether you're striving towards personal goals, professional success, or simply trying to maintain a positive mindset, self-motivation is key. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to help you ignite and sustain your inner drive. Step 1. Define your goals. The first step to self-motivation is clarity. Clearly define your goals, both short-term and long-term. Write them down and keep them visible. This will provide you with a clear direction and purpose. By defining your goals, you give yourself something concrete to work towards, which can significantly increase your motivation. Step 2. Break it down. Breaking down your goals into smaller tasks makes them less overwhelming and more achievable. Focus on what you can do today to bring you closer to your goals. By taking small, consistent steps, you'll build momentum and progress towards your objectives. Step 3. Find your why. Understanding why your goals are important to you is crucial for maintaining motivation. Your why is your driving force during challenging times. Understanding why your goals are important to you is crucial for maintaining motivation. Your why is your driving force during challenging times. Step 4. Cultivate positive habits. Healthy habits contribute to overall well-being and enhance motivation. Incorporate activities like exercise, meditation, and reading into your daily routine. These habits not only boost your energy levels, but also foster a positive mindset, which is essential for staying motivated. Step 5. Celebrate progress. Don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledge your achievements and use them as fuel to propel you forward. Celebrating milestones reinforces your efforts and keeps you motivated throughout your journey. Step 6. Stay persistent. Lastly, remember that setbacks are a natural part of any journey. Stay persistent and resilient in the face of obstacles. Keep moving forward and never lose sight of your goals. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can cultivate a strong sense of self-motivation that will propel you towards success in all areas of your life.